2,000 years later.
So yeah, like I was saying, see how the bumper is designed? You know what I'm saying? General, like, so you gotta treat that car like. My brother outside with us. Got the whole crew with us, whole family with us. But yeah, C300s is, I never really, like, I don't know. But like, I always see these, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this lit. I need that big body for me. You know what I'm saying? I need that extra roomery for, yeah. Picks in the cut, chilling. In the cut, chilling. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Shout out to my brother right here, you know what I'm saying? With the nice soup. Looking good, looking good. Oh, that's not looking good. Oh man. But it's all good, we outside, we chilling. Just getting some parking lot footage. Oh man, a lot of that that ooh. From the fire. Fitment on point. Carbon mirror caps. Flag roof. CSO trunk. That trunk is heat. Yeah, guys. Good crew. Back, girl. Walk around, get this footage. See, it's all kind of guys. Always like these. I don't know why. Always like these. Fine. Check this out. Some good wheels on the distance. M4. Now I'm thinking this is a CS. Wow. That's amazing. Got a front lip on there. I think he had another splitter. There's 2-piece brakes. Clean Accord. Super clean Accord. Oh, this thing is sitting. Scotty. Oh, Skyline in the wild. to V10. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Oh, twinning. Why have one when you can have two? Why have one when you can have two? Listen, I love to see it. It's beautiful. M340. Okay. Okay, I like your flavor, neighbor. You got the Mamba on there. These stripes go hard, family. These stripes go hard. Remember, if you see your car in the video, just tag yourself in the comments. Drop your page. We showing love to everybody. You know what I'm saying? Let's drop. This thing is clean. Clean M5, boy. Look at the wheels. Did the parking lot, right? So now let's go in the show. Let's see what's going on in the show, right? But before we leave the parking lot, look at his vet. Look at the color combo. Shout out to him, Zeus C51. Good color combo. This is like a brown, and this is a vert too. This is a vert. All right, for those of you who are not familiar with Corvettes, so there's two different Corvettes. There's the regular C8, that's the one, it's like a Targa, and then this one is a vert. This one you can't see the engine, but it's all good. It's still fire. Interiors. Oh. Good Benz. That's clean, bro. That's clean. I like that. White girls go crazy. E46. Huh? I think there, no? Oh, that gotta, I don't know. I don't know, brother. Those get violent. GT3, you already know what's up with that. You see that Rari thing. Come on now. Yo, there was one of these behind me. Oh shit. It's the gang. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, there's many whips. Oh, wait, I know this car. I know whose car this is. This my man Skinny Joe. Oh, yeah. He outside. Yeah, guys, so we here, man. We here. It was worth all the paint, let's show you the interior. I don't think y'all get a full understanding of what he got going on in here. Forever Gertie, you know the vibes. Sport mode gets active. Don't get crazy, you know what it is. Shout out to my brother Euro NYC. Got it all the way together. Now we out here. Guys, now you already know how I feel about the big body 7. You already know how I feel. But guys, on the AC Schnitzers though, come on now. Don't act crazy. You see what, come on. History. So vintage, bro. Oh my. Game over. Damn right it is. Wow. That's nice. Oh, E36 with the Vedas, huh? Yeah, it's the E46, but he got the Recaros in there. It's a kind of heat. Going crazy. And it got the big roof. And it got the big roof. The dumb roof's crazy. Going crazy. Got them tables in there. Got the phone. Bussin'. And he got the red guts. Rear seat delete. Cage. He in the game. This thing is badass, bro. This is bad. With a vet motor, nah, he went dumb. With a vet motor in here? Nah, okay. I see what's going on out here now. Now we see what's really going on. This guy likes to party. This guy definitely likes to party. Oh, it's the bear. He got the bear in here, bro. Bro. This guy likes to party, brother. Look at the wing on him. Holy shit. See what I'm saying about under the hood? The classic E30. Oh, look at the trunk setup on this. Fire. Look at that interior though. Gotta coordinate. Quarter hood. Oof. No games being played here. No games whatsoever. No games. Wow.
But I know population was like you work a lot.
fitment though. People got their cars on point out here. Everybody's fitment good. Look how wide. A lot out here.